the recycling factory that feeds the world.
Using powerful overband magnets, the shredded automotive steel is separated, achieving purity levels over 98% for reuse.
Target weight achieved. Signal complete. Copy that. Engaging transfer car. Temperature steady at 1200 Celsius.
Acknowledged. Accelerating the rollers now.
Clear path to the forming stage.
Here in the coiling area, massive steel strips are wound with incredible precision, supervised by the expert team. The tolerances are exact.
Power levels holding steady at 400.
We have ignition, squeeze pressure looks good.
And the scan confirms a solid pass.
Here, the newly formed steel pipes pass through the calibration section.
Deviation is holding steady at plus 0.01 millimeters.
Confirmed. Clear the section. Make sure the tension is correct on the straps.
It looks good. I'm scanning the label now for Project A.
Check the manifest for the Houston shipment.
Confirmed. All straps secured. We are ready to roll.
Dispatch authorization confirmed for batch. You are clear to proceed with loading.
All right, bring her down easy. Watch your clearance on the stack. Looks good. Set it down. Tension levels look good here.
Sensors confirming green across the board. Approved for transit.
A testament to sustainable engineering, these pipes, once vehicles, are now the backbone of the city's newest skyscraper.
Alignment confirmed. We are within tolerance. Copy that. Proceeding with the bolting sequence. Lock it down.
Keep it steady on the north side.
Vibrating now. Looks good.
Slump indicator is green. Maintain the flow rate.
All inspections are complete. The structural core meets specifications and is hereby certified.
Rising high above the city, this engineering marvel nears completion.
We have liftoff on the monitoring systems. Data streams are stable.
Confirmed. The system is fully operational.
The damping effect is optimal.
Seismic response is well within tolerance.
Confirmed. The recycled steel performs as expected.
The life cycle assessment confirms a 40% reduction compared to virgin steel.
That locks in the circular economy benefit for the project.
By recycling the steel from end-of-life vehicles through this advanced process, we create the structural pipes used right.
All readings stable. Thermal expansion within tolerance.
Confirmed. Logging the data now. Peak load approaching limits.
Dampening system engaged. Data stabilizing.
Validation complete. We are well within parameters.
The predictive maintenance schedule is clear. With all indicators reading green, the structural zones remain fully sealed and operational.
The integration of this recycled material allows us to set new global benchmarks for both sustainability and structural integrity.
The fatigue curves are well within the original design margins.
Agreed. The long-term certification is renewed.
If we reroute the vertical extension here, the simulation stays green.
The existing structure can handle the stress.
As the simulation highlights the embedded steel, note the 98% recovery rate.
This confirms the viability for the next circular life cycle.
The circular supply chain loop ensures that end-of-life automobiles are fully recycled into high-grade structural steel for new construction.
Archival sequence initiated. All metallurgical reports are verified.
Redundancy checks complete on Sector 7.
Confirmed. Life cycle data locked.
The load paths are confirmed stable across the new grid connection.
Integration is complete. All systems reporting green.
By utilizing the shredded automotive steel, we achieve a 95% recycling rate, transforming
The recycled steel metrics confirm we've surpassed the revised benchmarks.
Excellent. This aligns with the sustainability dashboard projections.
From the constant motion of the streets below, we forge the monuments of tomorrow.
The tensile strength curves are matching up perfectly.
And the fatigue resistance is identical.
Parity confirmed across the board.
The closed-loop system ensures maximum resource efficiency.
As this diagram shows, we are transforming.
The replication strategy is locked. We're showing a 40% reduction in emissions.
And the steel output meets the demand for Phase 2 construction. These visualizations detail the recycling volumes and emission reductions. The life cycle overview demonstrates how the
The grain structure is completely consistent across the batches.
And the fatigue curves are well within the international standards.
As you can see, the life cycle durability exceeds projections.
The safety margins are excellent. It's approved. All right, team, Phase 1 is live in 6 key regions.
Data synchronization is confirmed across all nodes.
Excellent. Commence material allocation for the Dubai project.
As the sun rises on a new age, we see the enduring symbol of our commitment to a circular.
Laser scan complete. Data alignment is precise.
Verified. We can proceed with the digital sign-off.
The fail-safe protocol engaged precisely as modeled.
Validated. The structural redundancy is proven.
Data streams confirm structural integrity in Sector 4.
Acknowledged. Readiness status is complete.
The public perception remains overwhelmingly positive.
Especially the inspiration metrics suggests a deep culture.
From our roads to our skylines, we embrace continuity. These modular structures.
Decades of simulated exposure, yet the metrics are stable.
We are well above the threshold for structural integrity.
The waveforms are normalizing quickly. Damping is well within parameters.
Confirmed. Logging the event now.
The temperature gradients are stable. We have exceeded the required duration.
Confirmed. The material passes the fire resistance test.
All integrity checks confirmed green across the board.
Excellent. The material passports are secure for this cycle.
The adaptive load balancing is working.
The steel pipes are absorbing the stress. Resilience metrics are stabilizing across the board.
This officially confers the skyscraper's landmark status.
A truly significant achievement for circular engineering and preservation.
Lock in the recycled steel allocation for Sector Gamma.
Confirmed. Material flow is optimized and the roadmap is complete.
These specifications align perfectly with the new circular steel directives.
Confirmed. The equivalency matrix is approved.
As you can see, the optimization holds across all scenarios. The life cycle cost is confirmed.
Excellent work. This is the data we needed.
Steps verified. Competency achieved.
Well done. Thank you.
We are officially certified. Congratulations, everyone.
Predictive analysis confirms low risk on the central supports.
Verified. The AI projections are within tolerance.
All compliance metrics are satisfied.
The certification database confirms alignment.
Proceed with the digital authorization.
The risk remains well within pooled thresholds.
Excellent. We have activation confirmation.
As you can see on the main display, the material life cycle is complete. The recycled steel forms the very core of our sustainable skyscraper design.
Roll sound, speed, and market. Okay, everyone, that's a wrap on this take.
The strength retention is exceeding expectations.
And the fatigue life aligns with the global best-in-class metrics.
Crane operations, you are clear for the next lift on the eastbound span.
Roger, moving into position now. Laser alignment is green.
The structural reinforcement is active. See how the load shifts to the steel grid.
Stabilization is confirmed. The system is fully resilient.
If we project the current recycling metrics, the resource availability remains stable.
But we must also
Initiating synchronization sequence.
Acknowledged. Data integrity at 100%.
Autonomous mode engaged.
Look at the synchronized data streams. The integration is complete.
Access rules validated. We have full federation success across.
Recovery windows aligned optimally. Purity forecasts exceed targets.
All right, initiating the approval sequence now.
Reviewing the performance metrics now.
And the secure terminals show unanimous approval.
The circularity framework is officially ratified.
Final reconciliation complete. All records locked.
Confirmed. The audit cycle is closed.
As you can see, when we toggle the region, the batch lineage resolves instantly. This confirms full interoperability across all compliance metrics.
Simulation confirms structural integrity under peak demand.
The recycled steel is performing above projections.
Resilience confirmed across the grid.
The sustainability metrics are exceeding expectations.
Yes, the recycled steel bonds are performing very strongly this quarter.
Vehicle intake and shredding verified.
Confirmed. Casting and rolling data checks out.
Structural performance is assured. Final approval initiated. The global network is stable. All end-of-life material flows are optimized.
Excellent.
The recycled structural steel pipeline is secure for the next quarter.
The recycled steel is holding stable across all climate variables. Century scale compliance confirmed.
Locking the forecast into the permanent record. The civic endorsement for the circular engineering project is now officially confirmed in the public registry.
The structural integrity indicators remain stable across the century scale projection.
Confirmed. The recycled composite is performing optimally.
The simulation confirms resilience across all scenarios.
Adaptive capacity metrics are well within the safe envelope. Assessment locked.
The structural integrity of these recycled pipes is paramount for intergenerational safety. The life cycle assessment confirms minimal environmental impact.
The social equity indicators are also favorable.
The recycled steel flows are synchronized across all 3 hubs.
Adjusting the transit corridors now.
Alignment is stable.
The transit layers are accelerating faster than projected.
Hold simulation. The adaptive capacity dashboard shows green across for the steel cores.
The closed-loop system achieved a 99% recycling efficiency here. Remarkable.
Reviewing the 23rd century custodianship transfer. All matrices are signed and verified.
The chain remains unbroken, proceeding with final approval.
The skyscraper index has stabilized at the top tier.
All metrics confirmed. We can finalize the publication.
By utilizing the automotive steel, we close the loop on the life cycle.
And the real-time data confirms the structural integrity at this scale.